Welcome. In this lesson, we will look into relation condition type in if statement. Relation condition are used to test whether a value is less than, equal to, or greater than another value. Here is how you can write the relation condition. One value can be identifier or literal or an arithmetic expression. Then you can write is keyword. Then you can use any of the comparison operator like greater than in alphabet or greater than symbol, less than in alphabet or less than in symbol, equal to in alphabet or equal to symbol. You can merge two comparative operator as well, like greater than or equal to in alphabet or greater than sign and equal to sign together. Similarly, you can write less than or equal to in alphabet or less than sign and equal to sign together. Condition can be negated using the not keyword. After the comparative operator, you can write the second value that could be an identifier or a literal or an arithmetic expression. Now let's understand relation condition type using some example. In first example, we are comparing the value of num1 variable with 10 literal. The condition is num1 less than 10. After that we have coded then, and after then we have coded display statement. And we have ended the if statement with and if keyword. So if the value of num1 is 5, then 5 less than 10 condition will give true, and the display statement will get executed saying num1 less than 10. Please note that num1 in the display statement are wrapped under the inverted commas, hence it is a literal and will not be replaced with its value, that is 5. In the second example, we are writing the same code using the less than alphabet format. We have coded if num1 less than 10, display num1 less to 10 and if. Here we have skipped the then then keyword, which means then is optional. Now let's see the third example where we are comparing num1 value with num2 value using greater than and equal to comparative operator. We have coded if num1 greater than or equal to num2, move num1 to num2 and if. Let's assume the value of num1 is 10 and the value of num2 is 9. Then 10 greater than or equal to 9 is true. Hence the move statement will get executed and the value of num1, that is 10, will move to num2 variable, and the value of num2 variable will change to 10. Now let's suppose num1 is having a value of 7 and num2 is having a value of 10. Then the condition num1 greater than or equal to num2 is false because 7 is not greater or equal to 10. In this condition, move statement will not get executed and the flow will directly jump to the end if. In the fourth example, we are comparing the value of num1 variable with an expression, and the expression is the value of num1 plus the value of num3 divided by 2. So if the condition num1 less than the result of the arithmetic expression, that is num2 plus num3 divided by 2, is true, then it will move zeros to the num1 variable. Else there will be no change in the value of the num1 variable. With this, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope it has given you a fair idea about relation condition type. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.